So one of the perks when Lagoon is almost at capacity is you have to park in overflow parking, which also happens to be right next to where they're storing Primordial's track. Yeah. So these big red cranes right here are brand new. Those were not here last time. So to your right you'll see Rocket, which is 212 feet tall. This crane, fully extended and upright, would probably be about the same. So that gives you the idea of the sheer scale of this project. So you might be wondering what exactly this is. So supposedly this is going to be the inside of Primordial's mountain. And so what they've been working on is apparently evacuation staircases. So at various points the ride might stop, and so if for whatever reason they need to evacuate guests, they would have staircases in the different levels in the center of the mountain, so that way you could safely get out. So that is what they're working on right here.